Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to set an alarm that only vibrates without making any sound on your iPhone. This is perfect if you want a silent alarm that won't disturb others. Let's get started. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone. Tap the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new alarm. Now set the time for your alarm. If you want, you can also give your alarm a custom label. Next, tap Sound. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and select None. This disables the alarm sound completely. Now go back to the top of the sound page and tap Haptics. Choose the vibration pattern you want for your alarm. You can select one of Apple's built-in vibration patterns or tap Create New Vibration to make your own custom vibration. Once you've selected your preferred vibration, tap Back. Then tap Back again. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner. Your alarm will now vibrate only, without playing any ringtone or alarm sound. And that's it. That's how you create a silent vibrating alarm on your iPhone.